At this time of year, when you've started to put a lot of your seedling plants that you've grown on into the ground, that's where they're at their most vulnerable. And one of the things, especially on damp days, is slugs and snails coming in and eating the foliage. And here in one of my garden areas, this is where I'm growing the brassicas. They've moved into this bed this year, so I've got sprouts over here, got cauliflower there. They're all growing in, and I don't want the slugs to get them. And if you've seen some of my earlier videos, I'm showing about good barriers against slugs, but there are a couple more tips that I'm just about to give them to you. Please give this video a like, share, and add a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. First up is plant some herbs with very special properties. Chives, for instance, other than the fact of being really good, especially if you're making yourself a cream cheese sandwich, and they've also got beautiful flowers as well for the bees. But inside the foliage itself, it's got a compound called allicin, and allicin is very toxic if eaten by slugs and snails. So planting that in and amongst your plants doesn't just look good, isn't just another crop to be able to use for your sandwiches, it's also deterring slugs. And anything with a lot of fragrance, bold fragrance like lavender or even mint, planted into the ground alongside some of your other more susceptible crops, can act as a deterrent for slugs and snails. But I will say this about mint: contain the roots. Plant them in a container that's got polythene all the way around in the ground, because if the roots of the mint get out, you'll be weeding it forevermore, because it really does spread. Another one, which is a smelly product, it used to be a plant, but not so much now, is coffee grounds. So once you finish with your coffee, keep hold of the grounds, and then you can put that around your soil. Don't put it close to your plant. 12 inches away around the outside is much better. And it's not just the fact that the slugs are scared of drying out as they get close to the coffee grounds. It's the fragrance as well, acts as a deterrent. But when I use the term drying out, that is exactly what you need to do to curtail slugs and snails, because they like very damp conditions. So by giving your plants, as you put them into a ground, plenty of space for air to get through and dry out, that's great. Not watering last thing at night. You can't leave patches of water around the ground, because that's absolutely perfect for slugs as well. If you like this video, please subscribe for more content like this, and switch on notifications to be notified of my latest videos. So there you have it, some more tips. Plant things like chives or very fragrant herbs around. Also use coffee grounds, but don't put them too close to your plants, and keep the area as dry as you can. Will all help you against the war against slugs and snails. If you like this video, please give it a like and share with your friends and family. Remember to subscribe for more content like this, and switch on notifications to be notified of my latest videos.